Crazy turnout for you guys. The Yodi on tire, and then we got the Beast with no bumper. Oh my god. 340 on tire. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, you guys, we find ourselves at yet another car meet. Brought out the Evo today. Came with the boy Henry. We're gonna try to get posted for you guys and then do a quick walk around. It's basically like a cruise from what I recall. There's a bunch of fast cars. They got them all today. We got the old schools over there, some Fox bodies, an M2. My boy Henry's breaking necks. Man, they brought them all out today. Dang, they brought them all out today. Gummy, you better not be sleeping today, brother. We need all the content we can get. We got is this a Maybach, bro? Damn, they brought out the Maybach. God, look at that G80 right there, too. Oh, G80, F90, or yeah, F90, F82 or F80, the M's, the Audi. Oh, another G82. Oh, that's just clean. That shit is clean. Nah, 24. Oh, yeah, 25. Sheesh. Clean, bro. Oh, we gonna post it right here next to the fast guys. Let's check out the. Is this yours, bro? Yeah. This is clean.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, G80, no?
Yeah.
Fire. Single? No, you just got the intakes.
Nah, just intakes.
Okay, okay. How's it drive?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It gets down.
Yeah. Manual or X drive? Or rear wheel?
Rear wheel.
Yeah. How much you pushing?
Not sure. Maybe like 780.
That's it.
Yeah.
This damn. You got your, you did femto unlock too, or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, CSF, direct injection.
Damn.
Reflex.
Okay. Stock clutch, or you upgraded?
No, it's auto.
You're right, rear wheel drive. My bad, my bad. Oh, damn. Eilsman green, huh?
Yep.
That's fire. That's fire. Now, yeah, I'm trying to get into this platform, but I'm just waiting. And you got the Project Gamma intakes.
Yeah.
Damn. What color interior?
Tartufo.
Ooh. The Tartufo, bro. Oh, yeah, bro.
It's a bit dirty.
Nah, bro. This is clean, G.
Hell yeah.
This is fire, bro. 24?
23.
23, okay.
23, yeah.
With the tire?
Yeah, I did the Jerry.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, damn, the Ambers. Nah, you basically got it all, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
Price down.
Not bad, I bet. God damn.
Here we go.
Are you gonna cruise out when everyone pops out, or?
Maybe.
That's good. No manches, this lineup is crazy. Yeah, yes. Y yo que vivo cerca de ellos. Fuck. Wow, shit. Crazy turnout for you guys. We got the Mustang, C7, G80, G87. Man, what else do you guys need? It's basically a packed lot right now. We got the Yodi on tire, and then we got the Beast with no bumper today. But, hey, I mean, it's a full house. It's a full, fastest guy here.
Brother.
Fastest guy here. ¿Qué pasó con tu bumper? No manches, tuner.
Lo veo caído.
Static light, we good. McLaren made it out. F80 or CS. Yup, a CS. 890 Supra. Stingray. C7. Let's check out the goods inside. G80. Laguna Seca or what? Oh man. Goals right here, y'all. Oh, this is the homie. I know this guy. I'm gonna tag you, bro. McLaren Supra E36 tuner at E36. Oh, I didn't even peep that, you guys. Damn. If you guys had one car to pick here, let me know which one it is. Did homie unlock it or nah? I gotta tell him, bro. Insane. The Z06. I thought JP was gonna pull up. We're gonna have to get on the boy. Oh my God. Supra GTR. Oh my God. This F82 as well is stupid clean. We're just waiting on Fur to get to this level. Brother, let's start benching real quick. But look at this, you guys. Take it in, admire. Oh my God. Feels like I'm in SEMA right now. Got the F80 posted out. We got the McLaren. They have the drone out as well, you guys. Man, what do they not have out today? G8. They got the Lambo from last time. If you guys have been sticking to the channel, you guys recognize that car. F82, Austin yellow. Oh, CTSV. Is that a Blackwing? Brother, that thing's probably pushing mad power. Damn, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this blower right here. Pulley, belt, the whole 9 yards. This thing's probably quick. The one that got away, you guys, E92, but Peluchin popped up, F80, the homies F82, Yaz Moran. Brother, let them know. Talk to them about the whip, bro. What do we gotta know?
Daily drift car, you know.
Daily drift car.
Football Tiny 85.
Something light?
Yeah, something light.
This guy gets down?
He's lying.
He's lying, bro. Tell the truth, bro. Let him know.
He's on port injection,
Hybrid turbos.
full E,
Full
custom
E.
tune, dog boot tuning. He's on a high pressure fuel pump, beta testing.
Single turbo with pure turbos.
Shit.
He's on 3 turbos.
3 turbos.
Turbos.
Tri-turbo.
Yeah.
Y'all
It's
don't want the
crazy.
smoke. Y'all don't want the smoke.
want it.
Y'all want it? Brother, what about this one right here, bro?
Ah, it's a kit car.
GT3?
Yeah.
Brother, this thing goes nuts. God. If you don't see that, this car weighs absolutely nothing. So power to weight ratio must be crazy. F82 CS with the ceramics. Stand stout Subi. You know, I gotta show the F80 lineup right here. F82, F80, fat tire in the rear, F82. It's about the cat out. Demon, my bad. Yeah, y'all see the badge? Damn. On tire too, we got the skinnies up front, draggy in the back, 2 draggies with blower, the red eye, and then the demon. Take your pick. With the matching tees. Oh. I don't think it matters how quick or how slow these cars are. That V8. And the best friends just pulled up, you guys. They came to join the party. GTR rolling out. Alright, you guys, rounding down, or at least the Carmeet kind of rounding down. We're gonna see what we catch on the freeway. Y'all stay tuned. Well, you guys, 340 on tire with the CTSV in front of us. We gotta see.
40, 50, 40, 40. 40. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What are we doing?
Oh, 40, 50 again. 50.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
It's that top end and I need E.
What, 40, 50 again? 50. 1, 2, 3.
Tell him good runs. Tell him if he's on E or regular.
He's on 91.
What do you want?
He's on 91 right now. Yeah.
That's just clean.
Clean.
That's just clean, bro.
Clean, bro. Fast. He needs to get some E. Huh? Is your Authentic Alex? Authentic.Alexndr. Yeah.
Put it on your phone like I tell you.
Here, hold on. You found him? Yeah, that's it, that's it. Yeah.
Drive safe, bro.
Hi, bro. We found you.
Yeah. Sorry, babe. You should have recorded from the back like POV. You're trying to get some homework done and your boyfriend's over here. Bro, E makes a big ass difference.
Hey,
But I was up there.
Oh, you were keeping up.
It's that top end.
Yeah.
And then stick too, brother?
That was stick?
No, I'm stick.
No shit.
Alright, you guys, well, closing out the video, we did get a good run, like 3 good runs with that 340. I'm gonna tag his, I tagged his IG. If you guys want to follow him, check him out. Big thing for sure is we got to be prepared next time because we're running literally just 91 premium right now, no E whatsoever. But that being said, we made it back home safely. Calling it a night, biggest part of it all, you know, is making it back home safely. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. More videos to come. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. More Evo videos to come for sure. If you guys like the content and want to see more, do let me know down in the comments below. That being said though, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And like always, you guys, keep it authentic. Until the next one. Peace.